Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are once again building something from Fortnite. I've got a lot of requests to build pickaxes, and I don't want to just build them, even though, in my opinion, they're the coolest things in the game. I played it the other day, finally, and realized, man, I suck at online games. Definitely need to get some practice in on it. But there's one pickaxe in particular that I really like, and I've had a couple people suggest it. It's Chomp Jr, which is the shark on a harpoon. It looks extremely difficult to make in terms of the shape of it, so I figured let's make something hard. And I made a template. You're welcome. That's enough of that. Let's get to building. It is finished. Overall, I am super pleased with the way he turned out. I realize, just like most of my props, it's not 100%. I feel like the harpoon's pretty close. It's a little dirtier on the handle than the actual game, but as far as shape and how it looks, I think it's pretty spot on. The shark, I also feel is pretty close to in-game, with one difference. Mine is blue. The one in-game's a little bit grayer. I did see pictures where it was a little bluer. I don't know if it was just maybe a filter somebody put on, but I liked the contrast of the blue against the harpoon. In game with the grayer version, it kind of looks like this is one big fin, which I didn't really want, so I'm leaving it as is. I could easily just spray paint the top part a little grayer, but whatever. It's cosplay. You can make it how you want. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourselves and impress your friends with your shark harpooning skills, so much so that they want you to harpoon a shark for them. Don't tell. It's foam. Maybe you'll get some.
Yay!
And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them much props. Alright. I mean, it's a pickaxe, so I gotta hit you with it, so let's get the full force here.